Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about adjectives and their kinds. So let's start our lesson. Adjectives. Some words tell about the quality, number, quantity, etc. of nouns or pronouns. For example, dog is a faithful animal. Many people visited the Taj Mahal. Mrs. Ahuja gave some food to her servant. Here, in first sentence, quality of animal, and in second, number of people, and in third, quantity of food. So, in the above examples, faithful, many, and some are describing the noun words. These are known as adjectives. So, adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Words like big, small, good, bad, cruel, kind, bitter, sweet are examples of adjectives. Kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and distributive adjectives. Some adjectives describe the quality like the shape, color, size, manner, etc. of nouns or pronouns. So these are called the adjectives of quality. It tells us or answers the question of what kind a person, a place or a thing is. Like he is my best friend. They are cruel people. He walked across the dense forest. The beautiful fairy laughed suddenly. Now, adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity indicates the amount of a noun or a pronoun. It answers the questions how much, some, no, much, little, etc. are adjectives of quantity. For example, there is a little water in the pot. Here, how much water? Little water. He gave some food to the beggar. How much? Some. So, here little and some are adjectives of quantity. Now, adjectives of number. Adjectives of number shows us how many persons or things are meant or in what order or number or a person or a thing stands. For example, I have 5 oranges. How many? 5. He stood second in the examination. In what order? Second. Most men work hard to earn. How many? Several visitors could not get entry in the stadium. How many visitors? Several. So, here 5, second, most and several are adjectives of number. Now, interrogative adjectives. Some adjectives are used to ask questions about noun or pronouns. These are called interrogative adjectives. Like, whose pen is this? Which flower do you like? Which book is lying there? Followed by a noun, book. What and which are used as interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. When what, which is followed by a verb, it is called interrogative pronoun. And when what and which is followed by nouns, then they are called interrogative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. Some adjectives Point out the thing or the person that is spoken about. These adjectives are called the demonstrative adjectives. For example, this school is mine. That teacher is good. These flowers are pink in color. Those boys were naughty. Words like this, that, these, those, such are examples of demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjective answers the question which. Now, possessive adjectives. Some adjectives are used to indicate belongingness or possession of nouns or pronouns. These are called possessive adjectives. Example: this is my book. Saket showed me his shoes. These are your toys. Possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns are sometimes confused. In the chapter related to pronouns, you had studied that possessive pronoun is always followed by a verb, while possessive adjective is always followed by a noun. My, our, your, his, her, its, their are possessive adjectives. Distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives indicates a thing or a person taken separately out of a whole group or class. These adjectives denote each one of the noun or a pronoun and are followed by a singular noun. For example, each girl is carrying a purse. Neither boy is likely to pass. Here, each and neither is distributive adjectives. Here, home assignment is given. So, that's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next topic. Thank you.